skill requirement. After the completion of this course, the pass out will be able to perform following tasks. 1. Follow all safety legislation about tool and equipment. 2. Identification of various metal and their properties. 3. Common working hand tool making, marking, cutting and fitting, welding tool and their uses. 4. Preparation of workstation. 5. Distinguish different metals electrode. 6. Use pencil grinder and cutting machine. This for their preparation of workpiece. 7. Grinding on base metal. 8. Bench work including cutting, shaving, filling, hand polishing, etc.